Okay guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, learn my strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, right from this resistance zone, the markets range for a while, and of course it started a downtrend. Right from there you can see the red flag and the red arrows, and it has been selling since then. Got to this region, had a pullback, went back there again, still had another one, and of course went back there. Right now it is at this support zone, even though it is still selling, but if it's unable to break out below that support zone, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend. So this is very important. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, although it might not be for a very long time before it will go into a buy trend. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, so this is boom 500. Boom 500 started an uptrend right from the support zone, and you can see it going up and up. It has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from that resistance zone, and of course it has tried it out several times. If it's unable to break out from there, definitely it will go back on downtrend. Okay, we just need it to break out below this support zone. That is when it will go fully into a downtrend. So wait for it to either break out above this resistance zone to continue buying, or to break out below this support zone to go fully into a downtrend. Okay, so buying at the moment, which might not be for a very long time. Okay, so this is very important for you to know. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, so this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 started the downtrend from here, got to this support zone, the pullback, went back there to break out below it, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It started an uptrend, got to this region, had the pullback, got there again, had another pullback, got there again, and of course it broke out from there this time around to get to a new resistance zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there, and of course it started a downtrend right from there. So it started a selling opportunity for us right from there. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. It was on downtrend before, got to the support zone, had the pullback, went back there again, and this time around it has started an uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.